One thing you need to know how to do in Blender is match location, rotation, or scale of one object to another. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Right now, if I just add a cube to my scene, I see that it comes up over here, and I want it to come up in the very center of the scene. That's where I want to move my buckle objects to. So I'm gonna just fix that right off the bat, and I will select that cube again and delete. Objects are created where your cursor is located. So my cursor is way over here and I need it to be centered. So to center it, I just hit Shift S on my keyboard and go to Cursor World Origin. And that will bring my cursor right into the center of my world. And that's where I want to bring my objects. So now if I add Mesh Cube, it's in the center of my scene. And I'm just going to scale it down a bit so we can see what's going on here. Okay, so now there's just one more step. I need to select first the object that I want to move or change the scale of or change the rotation of, and then select the one you want to match to. So Shift select this cube here, and you'll see the one that we're matching to will be highlighted in yellow, and the one that we're moving or changing or whatever will be in orange. So now that I've got that, I just hit Control C on my keyboard, and in this case I'm going to copy the location, but if you're wanting to copy the rotation or scale, you would choose one of those. And you can see it's moved. Perfect. So let's do that one more time. I'm going to move the outer part of the buckle, so I select that first. I Shift select the cube. I hit Control C on my keyboard, copy location. And now you can see if I delete this cube, the location has changed of both objects and they are in the center of my scene. Like I said, this would work with the scale or rotate also, and it's super useful. It doesn't have to be in the center of your scene, but this is a good way to get things centered if that's what you're looking for. So I hope that this helped you guys and you're making cool stuff in Blender, and I will catch you in my next vid.